sitarre vid Delnas. Swadar 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 sitarre vid Delnas.
This is Salli chicken, and this is a typical Margina farcha that we have during weddings on the patta.
Acha. So why there no patta here?
They may not be having patta, banana leaf pe. This entire food is there. So
Very nice.
this Salli chicken is very good.
I'll try dansa.
You need to have the rice with the dal. You only can't have dal. You need to have the rice.
I can't have it with bread.
एक minute. We just started eating.
Yeah.
I didn't introduce you. Welcome to स्वाद और सितारे with Delnas.
Hi.
और आज हमारा सितारा बहुत प्यारा गॉर्जियस सितारा मेरी बहुत अच्छी दोस्त उर्वशी ढोलकिया.
हम लोग खाना खाने लग चुके हैं.
I'm very sorry.
अब यहाँ मुझे स्ट्रिक्ट इंस्ट्रक्शंस मिली थी सुबह से कि कुछ खा के नहीं आना, तो मैं भूखे पेट आई हूँ. एंड आई एम वेरी
And just look at us. We just started eating without even introducing.
भारी मिस्टेक हो गया सर.
How are you liking it?
very nice. I can have dhansak with this also, no?
Dhansak is basically a combination of rice, dal, and kebabs.
It was my father's favorite.
Huh. So this is salli boti. This is actually chicken, but boti hota hai, mutton hota hai. They've given us chicken for a change, which is good.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
I eat mutton also. I'm very happy with mutton in my life.
Mutton का कुछ खाएगी? Mutton cutlet or something? Oh wow!
I've had this. This I've had.
This is where अपने weddings पे, navjots पे. So I want to explain, Urvashi, traditional, like, because you haven't really eaten Parsi food, you said. पत्ता होता है. पत्ते पे पहले अचार आता है, रोटी आती है. Yeah. Then this raspberry soda would come. हाँ. उसके बाद, yeah, I don't mind this. Masala, yeah. Yeah, masala, like sosyo.
I also want to sit for that.
Jeera, like a jeera drink, Cheers, kar. Cheers.
I'm smelling it.
This is like a jeera soda.
Yum.
मौसम तो ऐसा लग रहा है दिल गार्डन गार्डन हो रहा है. बहुत मजा आ रहा है यहाँ पे.
And what is this now, huh? Oh, this is sosyo. बचपन में हम बहुत पीते थे ये. This sosyo. All colored. Nice. But what's this flavor?
and limca.
Jeera masala. Okay, we'll keep it here. We'll have it थोड़ा.
हाँ.
तो मुझे एक्सप्लेन करने दे. पत्ते पे ये आ गया, अचार, रोटी, ये वो आ गया. उसके बाद दिस मर्गीना फार्चा स्टार्ट्स. मटन का कुछ है?
हाँ, कीमा पाव और बेरी फ्लावर.
ओह, कीमा पाव.
कितना पाव?
फार्चू, मच्छी, and then pulao dal. That berry pulao that he's saying.
Yeah.
So this is the staple thing in weddings, which is there every.
Chalo, now let's figure out who's getting married first amongst the two of us.
You.
एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी.
No, clearly not. अब शादी के लिए शादी मांगता है ना, खाना आ गया है, वैसे शादी.
शादी अभी खाना खिलाऊंगी 1000 बार खिलाऊंगी. शादी का मत बोल.
But enough is enough.
So let me show everybody. This is the brown rice. जो धनसाक लोग करते हैं ना. Dhansak is a combination of brown rice. Brown rice मतलब brown किया हुआ rice. It's sugar caramelized. Okay. उसके बाद ये तुअर और मसूर की दाल मिक्स करके उसमें मटन चिकन डाल के धनसाक मसाला डाल के ये दाल बनती है. And then we can club it up with kebabs, mutton kebabs, chicken kebabs, whatever.
मतलब it's a tedious process. This
Yeah,
one.
yeah, it is.
Doesn't look it though.
ये खा ले एक और. क्यों?
I'm eating. Let me finish first whatever I've started.
Okay, ठीक है,
Then I will.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
But everything on this plate is amazing.
Okay, now tell me हमें.
बोलो.
How much do you cook?
Nothing. I only eat.
Yeah,
I'm fed.
I
I don't
saw
feed.
that.
I don't feed.
No, you feed.
I feed, but no, you know what? Ever since I got out of that house, I took an oath I'm never entering the kitchen again. So,
And I cooked a lot for Percy after I got out because you
good.
guys taught me. You, Ashka, we all made rotis together, man. Sana used to make 40 rotis,
Sana was going
and I
She had a
remember.
great arm workout every day.
I remember the once that you gave me a huge compliment. I made some dal, and you said this dal is like as if we are eating non-veg.
Yeah, I remember that very clearly.
Some masala dal I made.
But it was very nice. After that, I refused to cook. This is amazing.
So
Fried है, oily है, तो amazing तो होगा.
fried hai, oily hai, but this is the way we Parsis enjoy our food. Margi na farcha, it's called. Chicken marinated with masala and egg.
I was just going to ask you because what I know of and whatever I've learned is you like to have an egg as a side dish always, right? Okay, no.
People say, इसका कलर देख यार.
Matches your
ये
top.
क्या है?
Pineapple. I use pineapple.
Pineapple. Oh, pineapple. Okay, we'll try it later.
Ah, see, this is what I meant.
So it is. I mean, सबके घर में नहीं होता, but yeah, we are fond of eggs.
Yeah, even I love eggs. So I
We
think
are
that's one
fond of-
commonality between us. Sorry guys, I am eating with my bare hands. मैं ये कांटा चम्मच.
हाँ, ये काटा चम्मच से कौन खाता है यार? So
I'm being very desi.
I'll tell you something. It's kind of a sad thing that Parsi households में अंडा होना चाहिए. Non-veg कुछ ना हो ना तो नहीं मजा आता. तो थोड़ा अंडा. Even they made भिंडी बीड़ा पर ईडू, टमाटर पर ईडू. We call it ईडू.
Idu.
So भिंडी पे ईडू, टमाटर पे ईडू. Anything, any बचा हुआ सब्जी also. You fry an egg like this and keep it. You're sorted.
It's my most favorite form of egg, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, sunny side up.
Please have this. I'm going to have the keema by the side.
Oi.
My God, this keema looks absolutely delicious. ये egg लेना आराम से. This is awesome. And I hope it's tikha.
Where you do keema from?
Mm.
Thanks. चम्मच के अंदर. I'm also first going to have keema. First I will try. Then this egg.
Have you?
This egg is for me, you know what it. So the way it is presented.
हाँ.
So I love बैंगन का भरता. Okay. And in the house, it is a done thing that जो डंठल है, it's mine. So we go. So this is the dantal for me for this dish.
But how you have that?
I don't know how people are going to react and relate to my logic and my combination.
Tell me what do you think about the flavors?
Okay, honestly,
Honor.
number 1, number 2, number 3. No, sorry, 3, 4. अभी तक जितना भी आया है.
Yeah.
My God, how much are we eating? We're mostly vegetarians at home. Me,
Yeah.
my sons are
No,
chicken eater. They are chicken eaters. नहीं उनको तो जिम विम जाना होता है.
Fish नहीं खाते.
Not all that much. So the thing is, nobody knows how to prepare fish in the house. We only know one set rule. Pomfret is what we eat.
अच्छा.
Fry करके उसको marinate करके fry करके खत्म.
But even the surma is very good.
No,
Surma,
we've never eaten.
ravas, bangla.
I think
Prawns.
Sagar eats.
Yeah,
Prawns we love. Seafood
You know-
mein it's only prawns and pomfret. Actually, Dad didn't like any other fish.
Acha.
Pomfret.
Okay.
Has to be pomfret.
Ah.
मजा आया.
What do you want to eat? You
This.
eat this first.
No,
Yeah.
this.
Okay. Can somebody serve us this? Please.
Actually, you know what? You're right. Wait. I am going to do this. Sorry, guys.
एक मिनट. आह! कितना यार पेट भर गया मन नहीं भरा. No?
I can live on egg and bread. I can live on it.
It's a cute small.
It's very cute. कोना बापनी दिवाली. I like this. तारे ऊपर रखूं छे.
कोना बापनी दिवाली.
हाँ.
Okay.
Okay. Now that is for you. कलेजी ना टुकड़ो.
बात तो सही है.
What is this?
I think it's a kebab. What is that? Is it a kebab?
Yes.
Okay. So there's a punishment for you, Urvashi.
What?
You're going to eat all of this.
Are you mad? No.
बस हवा निकल गई.
There's a surprise for you.
What?
Come.
Bachi. Beso, beso.
I will sit here. You guys eat. I've eaten.
Why?
Sit, pussy, sit.
Have one soda.
Have one, yeah, something.
RDs. There's
This is
Palonjis.
from Pune, but
ये मेरे सारे दोस्तों में, मेरी सारी फ्रेंड्स में, सब फ्रेंड्स में,
Huh?
Urvashi is the best for pussy.
Oh, that's
bestest.
what the heck?
Yeah, cheers on that.
Cheers.
Sorry, जिसको बुरा लगा.
I know. I'm very sorry. Please don't have any animosity towards me. It just happened very organically.
नहीं, there are a few on the list, but yeah, like, yeah.
ये अपने पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मारी है इसने ये बात बोल के अभी.
Emotional, damn it.
नहीं,
लेकिन we didn't say anything.
No,
We
but
didn't say anything.
Urvashi, there is a reason why. Because you know, जब ये episode आएगा ना, मुझे बहुत क्लियरली पता है कि बहुत सारे कमेंट्स आने वाले हैं.
हाँ.
बहुत सारे लोग खुश भी होंगे और बहुत सारे लोग सरप्राइज भी होंगे कि ये दोनों साथ में दोस्ती कैसे भाई.
So then
सारे-
these people have to gear up and you
Yeah.
know and keep up with times because हमारी दोस्ती बहुत पहले हो चुकी है. Actually दोस्ती हमेशा से थी.
हमारा
सिर्फ थोड़ा indifference हुआ था. That's all.
दंसा, फारचू,
Have this. बहुत सारा है.
सली बोटी.
My favorite.
Have a little
Then why are you here?
नखरा.
To meet you.
चलो, open your mouth.
Hmm.
One bite. Nice, no? Tissue.
It's spicy.
So spicy. This is so mittu.
What is spicy? I'm eating it. And I don't do spice at all.
My liking, nothing is spicy. It's all okay.
Neither for me. I'm quite shocked. If this is spicy for him, then what does he eat? Air.
Love and fresh air.
Say that na. That I agree with. Love and fresh air. But this is really good. I
Like
see, imagine I wiped it clean.
So this is the first time you're having Parsi food?
Yeah.
First time.
Oh.
Correct.
No. So I'll tell you. So when my kids were in boarding, we used to go to Panchgini. There used to be this place called El Palazzo.
Yes.
Right? We always stayed there. Because it was right opposite their school.
Yeah.
Their school lane. Dad was an avid fan of Parsi Khana. So we were all, we had no say. उधर ही रहने का है, उधर ही खाने का है, because 3 times a day का meal he used to do the bookings like that. All right then. So we used to go. But over there it was different than what it is, you know. So I suppose like every place is different.
Yeah.
And at that point of time I thought it was very bland.
Yeah.
And frankly, I'm not a foodie. Whoever sees me, in fact, when my family sees this, they're going to collapse because they've never seen me eat like this.
But whoever is with me is a foodie.
Maybe I become for now.
Yeah.
Tomorrow the routine goes back to normal.
And Percy is looking like a beoda right now.
ऐसा तो background तुझे?
I am not drunk.
Bye. Take the bottle and go.
Seriously? Okay.
पहली फुर्सत में निकल.
Pasi, you're my best friend. M.
Yeah. मुझे लगन कस्टर्ड चाहिए. नहीं है.
तिरामिसू चलेगा?
दिनशास कैफे में तिरामिसू कहाँ से आ गया?
New age. This is the new age Parsi food. When you don't have lagan or custard, you get tiramisu.
ये क्या है?
Right now, Della is desperate. तेरा में 100 टुकड़े करके काट के फेंक दूंगी.
नहीं, बट क्यों लगन कस्टर्ड क्यों नहीं है?
Because tiramisu है.
I really wanted you to have laganu custard, yaar.
Call me home. I'll come.
I'm not going to make laganu custard. I can't make. Chal, I'll get you laganu custard the next time.
किसके शादी से चोरी करके लाएगी पहले ये बता तो.
कौन शादी कर रहा है?
I'll tell you an incident. Okay, on this, I just remembered something. So I was in Lucknow, and then from Lucknow we had gone to Kanpur for a friend's wedding. ठीक है ना? Now there the weddings are like in these lawns and everything, na?
Yeah.
So when it was food time, we were all there, and it was cold. It was the wedding was in January sometime, if I'm not mistaken, very clearly December or Jan. So it was really cold. So I was like, अच्छा ठीक है, खाना खाया, all of that was happening, feeling cold, and then this one sweet server, he comes and gives me this moong dal ka halwa. I was like, very good, I'm going to have this moong dal. And it was outstanding, Delu. I mean, I've never had that kind of moong dal ka halwa till date. And honestly, I've not. So, I said, oh, बहुत अच्छा. Very good. Then, after about 10 minutes of finishing it, I said, okay, now that I've paced myself, I called him again. I said, थोड़ा सा और मिलेगा. थोड़ा सा. Because out of the entire table, he only got it for me. So I said, थोड़ा और मिलेगा क्या? And then he is looking at me very funnily and said, मैम, मैं वो ना वो बगल वाले लॉन की शादी से लेकर आया था. I was like, first I was really shocked. Yeah, really. First I was really shocked. I said, oh, अच्छा ठीक है. Then my face fell a little. And then the Besharam in me came out. I said, एक काम करो ना, दोबारा से एक थोड़ा सा और ले आओ, please.
My goodness, किसी और की. And yeah, they have these big lawns.
Yeah, big lawns, है ना? तो एक लॉन में एक शादी, एक लॉन में हम एक लॉन में थे. But this खास मूंग दाल का हलवा that came for me from another शादी. And I'm also
He must have been your huge fan. That's
yeah. So I was like, what did I know? You should have specified it ना पहले. Like a Besharam, I'm asking again, थोड़ा और मिलेगा क्या?
थोड़ा और मिलेगा यार.
But it was damn funny.
कोलकाता पान संडे.
Oh. Wow. Kolkata Pan Sunday. It's yum. Okay. Number 2 on the list. Outstanding.
Thank you so much.
This is I've never eaten something like this.
मजा आ गया. मजा आ गया.
Oh my god, what am I going to do? I can't stop. I really love this.
I love that.
I like the color burst on it.
Yeah.
Absolute heaven.
Mm.
We can keep eating this non-stop. What is this red?
मजा आ गया. Rose petal.
हमने तो गुलाब भी खा लिया है.
अब हम खाते रहेंगे. ये आइसक्रीम खत्म करेंगे. आप लोगों को बाय बाय.
Love you all and leave you all.
Next time, yes,
Yeah.
another सितारा.
हाँ.
Don't know मेल होगा कि फीमेल होगा, लेकिन सितारा जरूर होगा और खूब सारा खाना होगा. So signing off, guys, with my dearest Urvashi. Please do like, share, subscribe.
To Dalna's Rani.
So this is a little something for you, Urvashi. Meraki by Niharika. Okay. She is designed this, curated this. Okay. Chotu sa hai, but token of love from all of us, from the entire team. And we thank Dinsha's Cafe, Express Cafe, Dinsha's. Thank you for the wonderful food here.
Dinsha's Cafe, amazing food.
So it's
You
a
have to try
cute cafe, guys. If you all are in Mumbai or you're
Must.
really close to Mumbai and you all want some great Bawa food or other food also, it's a cute little cafe in Oshiwara. And you can come here and enjoy.
She said it wrong. If you want to have, if you want to have Bavanu Bonu, then you
Bavanu
must
Bonu.
come to Dinsha's Express Cafe.
Lots of love. Bye.
इस हफ्ते का स्वाद ठीक से चखा क्या कॉन्टेस्ट का क्वेश्चन. When Urvashi and family would travel to Panchgani, which is that hotel that they would check into? जब उर्वशी और उसकी फैमिली पंचगनी जाते थे तो कौन से होटल में रुकते थे? जल्दी अपने जवाब इस ईमेल आईडी पे भेजिए एंड बी ऑन द शो नेक्स्ट सीजन विथ मी स्वाद और सितारे विद टेलनाज.
I did not expect you to be late, Telu.
I'm sorry.
Alio and Olio.
अरे ओ ले आज फिर से एक और बार वेज है मेरे लिए क्योंकि ये वेज है.